Hello guys, welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you on one of the ways how to use Ggives on TikTok Shop, and probably the quickest way is to actually use the CIMB bank. So you could actually cash out using the CIMB bank. So I want you to download that, and once you load your credentials there, your Gcash credentials, and you successfully cash out, you can just basically go ahead and just use it like any other wallet and go ahead and traverse through TikTok Shop. That's just basically how it works. So CIMB bank, and now you could just go ahead and just add your products, or basically buy stuff on TikTok. So that's probably the quickest way. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope this video is of any help. That's how quick and easy it is, and just enter your credentials and you guys are golden from there. So you guys have a nice day.